Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take our Cloud Code to the next level. Today's tip is use the save all method. Many times I see people constructing multiple objects in Cloud Code and then calling the save method for every single one. This works, but it takes more time because every single method has to return in order for the next one to be run. If you have a temporary array containing all your objects inside it, you can call the save all method, and this will save all objects at once, which is much faster, and if it has any problems, it will return the object IDs that did not save well, so you can work on those objects specifically. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestion, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and I hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.